Hello friends, this is Jaydeep and welcome to the channel Spiritual Awakening. The purpose of this channel is to take to people the inner message, beautiful message of our Indian culture, Vedas, Upanishad, which really gives life-giving messages. Now today, this video is especially for all of us, all Indians who really loves India, who really values the tradition of India. This video is for all of us. Today is a very proud moment for all of us. Why? The Nalanda University has come up. It's an answer to those demonic forces who knows nothing but destruction. We all know that 800 years back, Nalanda University, that old Nalanda University, which was in Rajgir, was destroyed by बख्तियार खिलजी. बख्तियार खिलजी ने 800 साल पहले जो खिलता हुआ फूलता हुआ नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी, वन ऑफ द फेमस यूनिवर्सिटी जो थे, जहाँ से बाहर से स्टूडेंट्स आके पढ़ते थे, और कहा जाता है कि 10,000 स्टूडेंट्स स्टडी करते थे वहाँ पे. 2000 के करीब टीचर्स थे, बहुत सारे बुक्स थे, बहुत सारे बुक्स. उसको उन्होंने जला दिया था. I don't know, as a human being, as a person, why one should burn down or destroy books. That logic, I have not got the answer yet. When I visited Rajgir and I visited Nalanda, moved around all those places to feel that how the university was, it was amazing. The vastness, and you can feel, you still can be proud by seeing that what India produced and in the name of university. But at the same time, being an Indian, you would feel the pain by thinking that what happened to those people that time, those Buddhist monks, those teachers, the students who were massacred, who were killed. The universities was destroyed, burned down for 3 to 6 months. आप सोच सकते हो कि क्या हो सकता है जब ये घिनौना हरकत किया गया था. I was asking myself why. Simple question. As a human being, as a student of life, while I was standing near those destroyed structures of Nalanda, I was asking myself why. Why a human being? I definitely feel Bhaktiyar Khilji was a person, was a human being. Why a human being will carry out this kind of destruction? But at the same time, I was thinking that we Indians don't have the power to answer it back. हमारे अंदर वो शक्ति, वो ताकत नहीं है कि जब हम देखें कि इस तरह का हरकतें किया गया था, this kind of destruction was meted out. Don't we have the answer to say that though it was destroyed, we are there, we answer it, we are not accepting it. And today, after 800 years, 19th June 2024 is a proud moment for all of us that our Prime Minister, dear Narendra Modi ji, along with Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar ji, has inaugurated the Nalanda University again, along with dignitaries from 17 countries. It's a proud moment. Together has the good side of mankind has come together to answer that destruction today. जो भारतीय कदर करते भारतवर्ष की, वो आज सचमुच में बहुत खुश होंगे, बहुत प्राउड होंगे कि जो डिस्ट्रक्शन, जो निर्यातन किया गया था, उसका हमने आज जवाब दिया है। पूरा विश्व के लिए ये मैसेज है। नीतीश कुमार जी का एक स्पीच मैं सुन रहा था आज का। देयर वॉज वन मैसेज विच आई लाइक्ड मोस्ट। ही वॉज सेइंग दैट डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम जी, he visited Nalanda while he was President of India, and he said that we should revive it. And today his words has come true. And I was just thinking, what an amazing power a person with good soul, good human being. His words has so much of strength that it fulfills, might be couple of years, 10 years, 50 years, but that power of those words has enormous strength. And this has been said in Upanishad and other, that good thoughts has a lot of power. It takes shape in time. And while Nitish ji was saying that Abdul Kalam ji visited and he was saying to resurrect or reconstruct the Nalanda University, and that moment that initiative was taken, though today our beloved Dr. Abdul Kalam ji is not there with us anymore, but his words has taken shape. And today we see that the university, new Nalanda University, is standing in front of the whole world to give knowledge, give love, give strength, give enlightenment to the whole mankind, and to give a message to those who carry out destruction, who thinks day and night of destruction, who can't stand. So welcome and thank you very much, all of you. I hope you will cherish this moment. Being a proud Indian, you will celebrate this moment. Today is a proud day for all of us. Thank you. Thank you very much, those who have contributed to the reconstruction or resurrection of Nalanda University of India. It could be the past government, present government, all of those who has contributed, Dr. Abdul Kalam ji, definitely Modi ji, Nitish Kumar ji, and the government who has worked. It's a proud moment for us. I think those who have not visited Rajgir, you should make it in your wish list. Go to Nalanda, see the old one, and I think new one is there for us to go and visit and see the university. Thank you all of you. Thank you very much.